Hello, welcome to this first segment of adding and subtracting fractions. And first we're going to teach you how to add fractions. So here we've written up some questions that we have here. We have 2/8 over 3/8, and the denominator has to stay the same. The denominator has to, so you just transfer 8 to there. And in this next question, I'm going to show you how to do it with an uneven denominator. And then for the top, all you do is just add them together, which you get 5. And that's how you do a simple fraction. And now we go on to... Okay, so you might need a little bit more room for this, but what you do is you lay out the fraction, so you lay it out. Okay, and now you keep one denominator the same, so 10, we're going to use 10, so 8 times 10, which would be 80, so there will be 80, there will be 80, so we put an 80 here. Put an 80 there, and then an 80 on the other side. And basically what you have to do is you have to times this 5 by 10, which would be 10 for here, and 8 by 6, which would be 48. And then what you have to do is add 48 plus 10, which would give you 58. So 58 would go on the top, and 80 would go on the bottom, which then is your fraction, and you can then simplify it down. That has come to the end of this adding video, and now we'll teach you how to subtract fractions. Thank you. Hello, welcome to subtraction, and in this episode we're going to teach you how to subtract fractions with like denominators. Like denominators mean they have the same denominator, the same. So how you work out the fraction is you minus this one, so this one minus this one gives you 1, and then the denominator stays exactly the same, which gives you 1/4. And if you get a fraction which has an even number on both the top and bottom, it means you have to simplify it down, but in this case you don't. Now we're going to go on to, in the next episode, we're going to go on to how to minus fractions using unlike denominators, so using different denominators, and I'll show you how to work that out in the next episode. This fraction video where we're going to teach you how to subtract fractions with unlike denominators. Now first, you have a fraction equation here, 5/10 minus 2/5. And then what you're going to do is you're going to write out a line here where you can write the first fraction, minus, and a line, another line here, and equals. So you're going to set it up. And now you're going to say, what times this gets you this? So what times 5 gets you 10? So that would be 2. So you times it by 2. So you use the first fraction the same. You use 5 as the lowest common number that fits in 10. And you use 2 times, so that stays the same. Then we're going to times the top by 2. And then the bottom same. So 5 minus 2
오빤 강남스타일
equals 3. So
강남스타일
3 over 5 and 3 over 5 cannot go down into anything because this is an odd number and this is an odd number. So they cannot simplify. Thank you for watching the second episode of subtraction. Welcome to the episode 3 where we have a fraction, so we have a division lesson. So basically I've written up a division question here, 5 tenths divided by 9. But you cannot divide fractions. You have to keep the first number the same, 5. And then instead of dividing it, what's the opposite of dividing? Multiplying. Then you have to multiply it and you have to flip this number. So you have to flip it, flip. So it means 10 over 9, where mixed numbers equals, so you just times the top, 50, times the bottom, 90, and then you go how many times does. Okay, and then what you can do after that is you can simplify it down. So 50 divided by 10 is 5. 5 and the 9, so 5 over 9, and it's an odd number, so it will be stay as 5 over 9. Sometimes you do get mixed numbers, and all you have to do with mixed numbers is, let's say there's 25 over 5. So basically all you have to do is write 5 and then say how many times there will be 5. 5. It will be just 5 as a whole number. Thank you for watching division, and now on to multiplication. Thank you. So welcome to the second part of multiplication, where we have here a simple multiplication. So 9 times 4 equals 36. And then 5 times 10 equals 50. So that would be simple. And you cannot simplify it down. Hello, welcome to the first episode of mixed fractions and improper fractions. Okay, so at the top left we have a question, 1/3 over 3/5, and what you have to do is times 5 by 1/5 and 3 by that equals 8, and the bottom will stay the same as 5. Then let's go to the next one, 3 over 3/4. We would do that's 4 times 3, 12, which would be 15. And the bottom would stay the same as improper. Now it's an improper fraction. Okay, now we're going to show you how to change an improper fraction to a mixed number. Okay, so at the top we have 15 over 5. So what you do is basically 15 divided by 5, and 15 divided by 5 would be 3, and the bottom would stay the same. Now, okay, and now the 20 over 4 would be 5 over 4, because you're just dividing it. which would then simplify down into a mixed number to 1/1/4.
Say 3, 2, 1, action. 3, 2, 1, action.
And that would be the answer for that. Thank you for watching Improper Fractions to Mixed Numbers and Mixed Numbers to Improper Fractions, and we'll see you back again when we do the next segment. Thank you.